So today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra that I've received from a family member. So the initial reason I wanted this is because this doesn't have a locked bootloader, so we can install a custom ROM on hopefully in the next video. But today we're going to be taking a look at the official software of One UI 7. Now, this device originally shipped with One UI 3.1 and updated to Android 15 One UI 7. So 4 years of update support, which isn't great. I feel like this device should have gotten until One UI 8.5. And this came with an S25 Ultra box, so I'm guessing one of my family members upgraded to the S21 Ultra to the S25 Ultra. So, well, let's just get into the video.
Bruh.
Oh my god, Samsung quality. Here we go. Let's power down. Let's see if it still has some juice. Oh yeah, it does. So initially, the S21 Ultra was released with the S21 series in 2021, early 2021. And this is the first S that came with an S Pen supported, and I got this case from a family member as well that has like an S Pen tray. So yeah. And it's pretty sweet that they fully factory reset their device so I can, play around with it. This screen hasn't changed so far from the One UI 8 or 9. So yeah, agree to all. Let me grab my other Samsung device. Never mind, it didn't work, so we'll do it in the old-fashioned way and just setting it up as like a new phone. And this thing actually feels really nice with a curved display and curved back. It's comfortable to hold compared to the S25 Ultra and the newer Ultras. So yeah, now I'm just signing into my Google account and getting everything set up. After getting my Google account signed in and set up, we just set up. I think I'm gonna skip. No. Oh my god. There you go. Skip. Yes, skip. Yeah, steal all my data. Please. Please steal all my data. No, I don't want AI slop. Ah, you're gonna download more bloatware. Now it's asking me to sign in to a Samsung account. You know what? Fuck it at this point. What am I losing here? You know what? I'm not doing all that. It's asking me to get one of my other Samsung devices. Nope. Nope. Nah. Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Oh my. This is so annoying. Actually so annoying. Just oh yeah, steal all my data. Alright, Samsung. Yeah, sure. Let's see what's new in One UI 7. More AI. Sorry I asked. Just, how do you get out? There we go. One UI 7. Now we got the phone set up, let's install some apps and games and see how does this beauty performs. What? Oh man. You're kidding me, right? How is Play Store broken? Oh my, yeah, you know what? I guess I'm gonna be doing it the old-fashioned way with old Samsungs via ADB. After letting it sit for a bit, the Google Play Store finally started working. Oh, you can use biometrics, it's pretty cool, but How do you get out of this screen? Now it's asking me this abomination. Want to see your local recommendation in Google Play Store? How about no? First, I want to test out how social media applications work. Let's install TikTok and Instagram. And oh, Facebook's already installed, so yeah, no. And the worst of all, Twitter, which is X now. While the apps are installing in the background, I want to really talk about the features of this device that made me want this back in 2021. First, this has a quad HD display, a 1440p display, all right, and a 120 hertz, which Apple still couldn't do, like later on until September. But yeah, there you go, quad HD. I mean, you can't really tell a difference, but it's nice it's there. And the always on display was, wait, how do you know, the always on display, it was another cool feature that Apple still didn't have. So yeah, as you can see here, it's pretty sick. And the cameras, this has like a 108 megapixel camera, which is pretty great, except the colors are a bit off, but they fixed it later on Samsung Ultras. And the video, you get 8K quality, up to 8K, 24 frames per second. This was the second Ultra, and they peaked. Like, I really loved this device back then, but hey. And hey, take a look at this. Liquid glass Y9, but I don't know why it's here. As you can see, there's no liquid glass here, but kinda, but not the same as Apple does it, but. And while I'm at it, I installed Good Lock on here. And the other thing I really want to talk about is the One UI multitasking feature. You can see, if you just press on the icon on the top here, open the split screen view, and then you can choose any app you have open. Let's say Play Store. You can do two things at once, which iPhone still doesn't do. And it goes back to the S7 as well. You can just multitask, which is pretty sweet, but it doesn't have the 90-10 feature where you, on One UI 9, yeah, as you can see here, this is pretty, but yeah, you get the point. After we got all the apps we needed installed, let's just try TikTok. Scrolling is pretty fast, as you can see. The type of bullshit you just see. Yeah, nah. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. Very snappy. Let's try on Instagram. Nah. Yes, it's still the same thing. This phone is pretty usable, fine. This phone flies with any social media app. And the other question I have in mind, how does it do in gaming? First up, let's start with Clash of Clans. This is the bare minimum. Now it's asking me for my age. Yep. I have consent. Privacy information. Nah. Yeah, this is running just fine. It's pretty fast. You can see, you can do whatever you want. Just no lag at all. Next game. After looking at the processor of this, I don't have hopes that will run the next game properly. On Fortnite, I have everything set to low, as you can see, except showing FPS. It's not looking too good. And this phone is heating up so fast back here. So in game, we're roughly sitting around 45, 50 FPS. Now let's see. This is the real test. This is playable. On the lowest settings, it's still playable. But it's getting very warm, but yeah. Grab this. It's been a minute since I played Fortnite, so. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, got his ass. Yeah, so far this is playable. Stable 60 FPS. Stable 60. Ah, I died. Next game, which is going to be Roblox, which should be pretty easy for it. We're gonna test out Natural Disaster for the Intensive. We'll turn up the graphics up to max and see how does it perform. So far, not bad. This is very playable. Yeah, this is playable just fine. This plays smooth, no stutters whatsoever. So yeah, next app. Now the next app is going to be a Geekbench 7 CPU test. And here are the scores after it's done. It scored on the single score 11,002, while the multi-core 3,281, which is pretty good. So to come to that conclusion, should you main this phone in 2026? I'd say absolutely yes. You can keep this for like 3 years. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that sub button and that like button. Please consider subscribing to help me reach my goal and continue making videos for y'all. Alright, I'm gonna see you later.